Marinades are an easy way to add flavor to any chicken dinner. Today, we're going to show you the basics of how to marinate chicken. There are 4 core elements to any good marinade: fat, acid, sugar, and seasoning. The first element to a great marinade is fat. We're going to use olive oil, but there's so many different options that you can use. Fat is important because it helps the meat retain moisture while cooking, and it holds onto any seasoning that you're going to add to the marinade. The next element we're going to need is acid. You could use lime juice, vinegar. We're going to use lemon juice for this marinade. Acid is essential because it helps cut through the fat. It also helps brighten the dish up. Now we're going to add something sweet. You could use brown sugar, maple syrup, agave, granulated sugar. For this recipe, we're going to use honey. Sugar is really important because it helps caramelization as you're cooking. That's what's going to get that meat that really beautiful brown color. So the last thing we need to do is add seasoning. This is maybe the most important part of the marinade. This is where you can get really creative and make this dish your own. Seasoning helps build the layers of flavor. We're going to do a pretty simple seasoning for this one with salt, pepper, and minced garlic. But again, you can really use your imagination here. We just made a simple garlic, lemon, pepper marinade. But once you have those 4 options, you can make so many different kinds, like a coconut curry, honey mustard, soy glaze, and fajita. Now that your marinade is ready, it's time to add the chicken. You can use any cut. We're going to use chicken breasts. It's really important to make sure that you're fully coating every single part of the chicken. Once you coat it, cover it and put it in the fridge for 30 minutes to up to 4 hours. After 4 hours, it's really not going to get any more flavor, so save yourself some time. When you finally go to cook your chicken, whether it's on the grill, the oven, stovetop, it's going to really have such an incredible flavor, and it's going to have that beautiful brown color. So now that you know the 4 core elements, fat, acid, sweetness, and seasoning, you can really get creative and make some incredibly delicious, easy weeknight dinners.